guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lazy day makeup tutorial. So I've done one of these before on my channel. I really enjoyed filming it. Some days you just don't want to do a full face of makeup. Some days you just can't be bothered, but you want a bit of something, and I totally get it. I have those days all the time. You want a little bit of makeup on, or let's say you're only just popping to the shops, you don't need a full face, but you want a bit of something, then this is the makeup tutorial for you. It's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, minimal amount of products, and all drugstore. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm not going to bother with primer. I'm literally just going to put on a primer water. So this is the Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. Now for foundation today, I'm going to be using the number 7 Hydraluminous Moisturising Foundation. This is in the shade Porcelain. It has SPF, so it's perfect for the summertime, and it's kind of like an everyday natural hydrating foundation. So I like to wear this on my lazy days. So I'm going to apply this with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush. Okay, so for concealers, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealers in the shade 00 Ivory and 03 Fair. I'm taking a mixture of both. And then I'm blending that in then with my Real Techniques contour brush. And then I'm going to set my face using the Natural Collection pressed powder, matte pressed powder in the shade Neutral, using my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunlight, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush. Then for blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Le Blush in the shade Sandalwood Pink, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush. Then for highlight, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Colour Icon highlighter in the shade Reserve Your Cabana, using my Real Techniques setting brush. Now I'm going to go back in with the bronzer, using my Morphe R37 brush, and I'm just going to pop that through the crease of my eyelid just to give it some dimension, just a little bit of something. On my lazy days, I don't really bother with eyeshadow, so this just gives it a little bit of something, just to add more depth to your eyes. I forgot to zoom you in, oopsie. So that just gives me a bit of something, and that's all I'm going to do. On lazy days, I don't really bother, so that's all I'm going to do. So now for eyebrows, I'm using the Glossier Boy Brow Clear Eyebrow Gel. Now for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. Now for mascara, I'm using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers and my Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift mascara in the shade Black. And then finally for lips, I'm using the Nivea lip balm in the shade Strawberry Shine. Don't need a lipstick on a lazy day makeup, so just put a little bit of lip balm on, gives you a little bit of colour and the hydration you want, so perfect. And there you have it. This is my lazy day makeup tutorial. I do this makeup a lot. When I can't be bothered to do a full face of makeup, if I'm just popping to the shops or if I just want a little bit of makeup on, this is the makeup that I go for all the time. Super quick, super easy, and all drugstore as well, really affordable products. So yeah, this was my lazy day makeup. So I hope that this was helpful to you if you want to do lazy day makeup. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!